In this video we're going to be calibrating the axle encoder. We're going to go into tractor, power unit advanced, password 123, and the first thing we have to do to calibrate it is set joystick steer to on. And now anytime I move the joystick either left or right, it should steer the machine. We're going to take note of the steering axle sensor right under steering sensors. So steering axle. And first thing we have to do is grab the joystick and move it all the way left. And that is going to steer the wheels all the way left. I'm going to take note of this number, 2480. And then I'm going to grab the joystick and move it all the way to the right. And the wheels should go all the way to the right. And I'm going to take note of this number as well. So 2480 is our large number and 1673 is our small number. So we're now going to focus on the steering column. Right here in the top you have EGU max axle and EGU min axle. What we're going to do is subtract 20 numbers, 20 counts from the large number and add 20 counts to the small number. So using the mouse, it'll make it easier to change this number. So 2480, we're going to change that to 2460 because you're taking 20 counts away. And 1674, we're going to make it 1694. So the main reason why you add 20 numbers to the large count and subtract 20 numbers from the small count is so that the wheels don't go to the stop completely when you're steering with the steering wheel, and that way there's a limiter, and that's when you see the steering wheel lock up when you're turning all the way one way or the other. So once you got those numbers in position, you can use the joystick again to bring the wheels back to the center. Once the wheels are close to the center, you're going to turn off the joystick steer, and now you should be able to steer with your steering device. So when you steer with the steering device, you turn all the way left and turn all the way right. Okay, so that's all you have to do there. You can use the steering wheel now to steer.